I don't know where I stopped on that, so I don't need to talk about all that much. Okay, make it more simple. Did I already do my intro? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you another crop hoodie that Zyia has recently released. This is the gray Zyia Raw Edge crop hoodie. Here is the Raw Edge crop hoodie. Now the sleeve length is really good on this. I have really long arms. I'm 5'4", but my arms are still really long. And I'm not pulling this down at all, and it comes down to the middle of my hand. So I love that about this hoodie. The length, I also wore a pair of shorts that aren't high rise so that you could see just how long this top is. These are like a normal rise short, and this comes fairly close to the top of the waistband there. So this is not a super short crop. This is, again, another longer length crop. It is a raw edge, so it will roll. You can see how the neckline on here is kind of cool too, because it doesn't, there's a seam here and it actually comes up a little bit higher than this bottom seam, and then the drawstrings are up here inside the hood, so it lays different every time you wear it, but I like that. The drawstrings are nice per the usual Zyia. They have metal tops on the end. I just really like this overall because I feel like you can wear this. The back has good length too. I feel like you can wear this around and not feel like you're being super like open about wearing a crop top. It has good length, so if you're wearing something that is high rise, you're gonna get pretty much full coverage out of this. Let me show you all the way around. The sizing on this is going to basically be whatever size you want to buy for yourself. It's pretty much all open for, pretty much any size is going to be open. I went with the size small, which is my bigger of two sizes for Zyia. I go between an extra small and a small depending on how the top is going to fit. I went with the bigger size and I'm really glad that I did. I like the way that it fits me. I did see there are some reps who typically buy a size small that got a size large in this hoodie and it still looks really cute. So that's why I say that there's a lot of room for sizing on this hoodie. Just decide how you want it to fit you. This is my bigger of two sizes, so you can kind of get an idea of how this will fit. If you want to make sure that there is length on it, you can definitely go up one size on this, maybe even two. It all just depends on if you want that extra sleeve length, extra length around your tummy, and if you want it to have that oversized look. If there's anything that you guys need, please let me know in the comments section. I love talking to you guys and hearing your feedback. If you already wear Zyia, if you don't, or if you just like my videos in general. So make sure you leave me a comment if you have any positive, uplifting things to say. Otherwise, thank you for stopping by and I'll see you again next time. Crop hoodie that Zyia has, I was so close. Since I have a couple minutes. All right, I'm gonna sneak this one in real quick. Fix my hair. Nope, before it runs out. Before it runs out. Where's it running to? All right, I gotta do this one quick. Okay. Let you go shop before it runs out. Stop saying run out! Before it sells out. There's a difference.